said they also topped their group. Carlo Ancelotti in the squad, wherefore coming into this World Cup. Now the teams I say are tournament favorite. It's like Brazil for the most decorated team in the World Cup. I had their own team born Brazil for fame. So they came into this tournament as one of the favorites. And for almost 3 games now, they are still unbeaten. Almost draw more first game against Morocco. Then the other 2 games are canon. Almost me winning. So we are talking about Brazil playing very well at the tournament, especially being coached by one of the great coaches in the whole world, Carlo Ancelotti. Say European footballer, a coach will be in the Champions League and China, Carlo Ancelotti. He's like I say a campaign, you cannot cup matches. So if you're going to a tournament, not a cup winning coach, someone the specialty, I are winning cup matches. You take him to the World Cup, you become naturally one of the teams about to manage the World Cup. No? And now they are performing to that billing. The way they are playing their game, therefore, splendid. I watched their games, 3 games now. Morocco, Haiti, and another game against Scotland. In those games, Carlo Ancelotti tries to find a way. Or many team number 7 the right antidote and the right formula for the Brazilian national team. They've been hitting so many fronts. 4-3-3, 4-2-3-1. Santa Rosa almost try to build up in a 3-back system. But if you're looking at how they are playing now, I can say afraid and a color is not any the formula for minor your friend of Brazil. And I will, if you look at the lineup from Mode Banua, now there is no Rafinha. You have Rafinha prayer. And if Rafinha prayer, Ryan and the ball. In the first game, I got Thiago. But for the last 2 games, no, Matheus Cunha is no and Brazil for number 9. So now Matheus Cunha and a boss number 9. Lucas Paquetá, Casemiro, Bruno Guimaraes, and as I said, if you are looking at the first game they played, and then the second one now, he was rotating between trying to find the right balance for our team. No, and even the first game against Morocco, your ball first of all, said I want to make the World Cup. No. But in the Haiti and the Scotland game, yes, in the Haiti and the Scotland game, no, we'll try to find the right antidote for it. In the Scotland game, make the Haiti game even first. In the Haiti game, no, there is some sort of system, very similar to the teams of the World Cup. No, most of them are those 3 triangles. And make sure say na England for you should be against my friend Ghana, Spain for you see the same thing. They just to find different ways of different passing lanes, passing patterns. Because if you do this, and maximize your players' abilities to be able to hold, pass, and be able to hold control and possess the game more. So most of these teams now, if you see this system, these 3 triangles. But Papa African Ancelotti will say, Papa, gradually he's losing the players now. The mojo. The players are the big talents are make my winning games now. Okay. Now Neymar, Ochanya fit enough. Ultima Neymar more game beyond 90 minutes. And now Jim and can the biggest stars in his national team now, Rafinha, and your branch and a friend of Vinicius Junior. Papa, your ball first 1 game we second game, Rafinha pra. And the player account with the team who is or what the man or you fully fit to be able to maximize his football. I have branch for Vinicius Junior. And what do you do? So, Rafinha and Wepra. Neymar, then Neymar team 90 minutes. And yes, how you say you have to put Vinicius in a possession and make many more goals at the amount. He is the most dangerous player in Brazil for us to lose a CA. And if you want to win games, you need to platform a branch for Vinicius to in a possession and let me maximize the talent, you know. I did even for Vinicius Junior. Or you'll be out me attacking, but the defensive attributes and yet. And the 5 players they'll be able to play and solve that defensive work in their man. Allow him to be up front. When you ball on the ball, man, Papa, 10, make us say 8 out of 10. Video either score or assist. So find the formation so he reverted to marry the 2023. Sister marry the 4 ball in a diamond 4-4-2. And in this diamond 4-4-2, no. And Marco Vini stay out front. Not come back on the wings, try and defend, track it back, but different way actually. Obi o Madrid for in 2022-2023 Champions League no. Na Madrid for bobo Obia, Rodrigo, Vinicius, top 2 Mbappe Mai. That year, Madrid for the Champions League. And about Madrid are unique. He is using a Brighton from Matheus Cunha in the Bellingham position. And even though say Matheus Cunha number 9, but Matheus Cunha drop it. No one Ryan and Vini as the centre forward. So in this, no, Matheus Cunha is at the tip of the diamond. And the 4 players at the back. Gabriel Magalhaes, Marquinhos Correa, the other guys on the wings. But in the middle, no, Casemiro is at the base. Paqueta and elbow on one of the diamond, the side of the diamond, the left side. But on the right side now, I have Bruno Gumari. And on Captain Ryan and then Vinicius Junior said they should stay at the top of the diamond. And the chance say if they try to build up Crown One, you will see on the left side of them no. And you have Douglas Santos and Eric on the left side. Or no, and I'm going to left side United, so there's Douglas Santos. So Santos has the license to work on the whole side of the left. Or defend it or attack it. But in all of this, no, he's allowing Vinicius to stay up front. The power, the first good on Moshe, no. The moment as Scotland for Ryan Echo Pressy or Pressy, you know, player me a year pass and a Ryan 9 can ball, and a ball called Vini goalkeeper, and a Boshe. The second goal no say referee be Salah you know. The same thing. Oko press ye. Oh, Vini no.
Van di Salah you know.
It was Salah Salah go with.
I don't
know for you. They are not consistent.
Yeah.
They are not consistent. Because there are some type of fouls we want my idea about the one with
yeah.
Sabo we o general foul there I don't know but
what we do na foul na say Ghana bo we mo timi anye dia
yes just look at that Sabo na finish say on we foul we Ghana dey one so the inconsistencies are getting too much but as I said Vini and the type of person there is Vini Junior maybe on a good time yeah that's oh Vini and the person gets the baby say but now this is Vinicius Junior in a game, actually, Brazil needed someone to stay up front because they didn't have Rafinha. Neymar isn't fit. He came in and helped the team. No, I'm a team now. I win the game. No, by that margin, by 4 goals. So, Papa, Papa, friend Carlo Ancelotti Abaso. At least, as I said, he's finding the formula for Brazil, and immediately he does that. It's a very good way to shine for my your friend Brazil. Vinicius Junior, therefore, they never make me a can't find. Nipa akoye dina tempa of Brazil pa akola we ya atem de wa Gibi ankasa
se ni oye ne ma omudi na
oh e form say oh men what ka say no wa ye dia apa ayen da bia na wetumi perform
eh no me ka say yeah
aduma kwa ya tina ha ye for yen da bia
ni huso
yen da bia na wetumi hu say aduma wa yi I've done a very good job today
da bi okra wa
to say yes and then ne man koyi
method man say Papa tell Hurricane that you should stop talking about our coach tactics. Say much say the Spence no so akasa was saying.
Papa Spence no. I didn't know ya na no. Mo bia man nya no mama.
Yeah. Akwa na nkasa.
He just like that.
Ni nipa su no nkasa un say. O sha de no shebo bo no kra na hwe n'anim a, o de hwe n'anim din. Ubo say journey to the west.
Yeah, say he's a black man.
Yeah.
Got black skin.
Yeah.
The whites me na chacha white there from your pon je say nyina yehu Declan Rice ne Thomas Partey obi ankasa but wo na we black man na wo gidi say nyina e kan Black Lives Matter na ade no wo hu nu akam I saw a video some time back. I saw a video with him and the coach Thomas Frank for Tottenham no.
Okay.
He's just someone who ignores people and
You're say on a human relationship
Papa, now on your beer and he's nobody.
Engineer say how be as be on you
yeah, he's nobody. Say a Hurricane, Bellingham, Declan Rice, Rashford mo, and yes, we are. Or I'll be a little bit concerned.
Okay.
But just Spence there say and yet Thomas Tuchel now born one. And can you afraid Trent Alexander-Arnold and can you for a World Cup? What does it? Then can you afraid Trent and I look sure I am like a fellow look sure I can walk better work up now. So what I say, you know, my better make can answer because it is not worth it. Yes.
Obia so nim nyansa de ngo say can answer.
So therefore, as I said, Vinny has been one of the most abused people in Brazil. But Enra or Kasim Amarehoy, or so when you say, now it will get to a time he's going to be there. That person, that go-to guy for my friend in Brazil. Time and amount for kind of once a week. When I say no, it will get to a time I'll be mature enough to lead this Brazilian national team. Up in there, in the name of BMU, and then Rafinha, Benny, Vinicius Junior, and the leader of this national team. 7 games at the World Cup, 8 goals involvement, 5 goals, 3 assists. And when it gets to this timer, this is when you remember him. When for World Cup now, yeah, Bono. Brazil for minor World Cup, they be do go be. But among players, goals in every single game at the World Cup. In the entire group stages, no 3 games in Vinya goal. And the last people to do that, at some point from you anyway, Ronaldo de Lima and Rivaldo, and they were all at the stadium. They were there when Vinicius became the first players in 2002 to score in his first 3 games and to score in all group stage matches at the World Cup. And today, that is where they are. And therefore, at the end of Junior, you know, Brazil for say Omen NATO. I don't know how they're going to platform this to get whether it be a me and they are winning title or not. But they are saying, say, every time be an Omu player, ever share in all the group stages matches, no, or World Cup, no.
Wow,
yes. That's what
that is the omen they are talking about.
That's what they are saying.
Omen be saying, yes.
Our player be share in every game at the group stage.
3 matches, no group matches, group yes. No. Yeah. So we share player no a match be a na so share national team be a set 3 matches.
Yeah.
Omuti
yes.
And Omuti
World Cup.
This year Brazil who say Atomu sent to Ombeje.
Yeah, Jazinho, as in the 1970.
Okay.
On board first 3 games in our winning or goals nina.
Okay.
Omoje.
Okay.
Then they came to 1994. Okay. And no Romario na scored in all the 3 whom kind of saying group stages games no Omoje. Then they came in 2022. And no Ronaldo de Lima and Rivaldo. They scored in all the group stages matches.
Okay.
Brazil the World Cup. And now Neymar as a Vinicius Junior scored in all the first 3 games of the group stages. And see almost say Omen Nafa. And see where they will be able to go there and win the World Cup, saying almost say on make match the World Cup now. Edra 3 games, 3 MVPs. Now he's become the 5th player in the World Cup. Or also, what about the first 3 games? Group stages Nina, Waje MVP, L group stages Nina. We're talking about Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi, Ayebi, and all the likes. Some about the first 3 games Nina, or my winner, and the Pelo in Ayebi. But now Vini become the 5th player on so ISR record no. Also,
this is or contender Ellen Haaland. Ellen Haaland the more contender no.
For
Messi for so omu no be adi 2-2 this year in America.
Yeah.
So far Messi adi 2.
Yes.
Ellen Haaland so adi 2.
Yes. And Vini.
I because Vini no. This is on 3 matches in the group
yes.
In the train Messi and Haaland.
Oh no for Messi Jordan the Obasanjo. Jordan no Messi be chef 4 goals. You say be a coach na na mbo ni bi there.
Chef.
What
can we say mbo board no Messi? Okay.
Neymar is back.
Yeah, Neymar
after
is back.
Months of not playing for the Brazilian national team. Yeah. Neymar is back. Or for Neymar no the type of energy or the money pa be brain no. So who say Neymar e ball apa kono. E no Neymar be see ball no. Na me everyone yeah, what happened? Take quite any park. We were happy to see Neymar in the game, and now Carlo Ancelotti mean counting on him for 90 minutes there. But those little minutes, Neymar he gives you that sort of attacking kind of saying a platform say with my bomb what they are on Neymar. Okay. Neymar and Vinicius Junior. We're going to see whether they are going to be that magicians that we have always been thinking of. Say Vini in your form. Now Neymar is available. They will be able to play at that high level. So, however, David Ancelotti and Carlo Abaso, they've done very well. 3 games at the World Cup for Brazil, and they've qualified to the next round. They were at 132 on to the next one. They were say be on beat me World Cup no. Eddie Amao for the Brazil.